Hello people, and welcome back to Food Glam Life. My name is Sanaa. Thank you for joining me today. It's that time again where I bring you my empty products and I give you full honest reviews of products that I love, products that I did not love so much, and basically if I would be interested in buying them again and would I recommend them to you. So I've been collecting my trash और इस दफ़ा ये हुआ है कि there's barely any makeup product, तो एक आध कोई है, but mostly it's hair, body and skin, and that, you know, every time I always have those products because I think you go through those a lot quicker. So I'm just in no particular order, I'm just going to reach out and get what I have. I think this has made it on my empties videos quite a few times. It is the Palmer's coconut oil. This is the conditioner, and this one is their sustainable formula because it's formulated with ethically and sustainably sourced ingredients, and it's the one that has no sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, dyes, gluten, phthalates, etc. And yes, this is great. It's got coconut oil, manoi oil, argan oil, sea kelp. It really helps soften your hair. It's quite affordable. I really like Palmer's hair products and also some of their skincare. I'm back on the cocoa butter these days, so yeah, this one's done. Another shampoo. This is the one by Redken. You can tell कि इसकी बिल्कुल हवा निकल गई है, इतनी मैंने इसको squeeze करके निकाला है. This is the Color Extend Magnetics. Oh, this is the conditioner. I think I finished the shampoo or something and I don't know where that is. But this is the conditioner. This is what I had been using, and this is for color treated hair. I really did like how this would soften my hair and make it feel. So definitely, if I get the chance, I would buy this again, and I would recommend it as well. अच्छा, फिर more hair conditioner. Conditioner apparently मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा use हुआ है. मैं actually at one time I don't use one conditioner and shampoo. I keep 2 or 3 of each in my shower area, and then I keep like alternating between them, and then usually I don't buy the same shampoo and conditioner and just use that for years and years and years. I don't do that. I always change it up, and I think that kind of helps your hair as well. It just, I don't know, I read this a really long time ago. I don't know if that's true. Lekin it's in my head कि एक ही चीज़ नहीं use करनी चाहिए because your hair just kind of doesn't behave very well after that. So this one I use. This is a Keune color care conditioner, and this has pH. This was pH balanced. I actually really enjoyed using this. I think it was really good for my colored hair, and I like, you know how like I always have this thing with certain conditioners, okay? They need to not make my hair feel really greasy, but at the same time they need to make it feel soft, and like it needs to sort of absorb into to the shaft of the hair. कुछ होते हैं जो बिल्कुल ऐसे लगता है कि कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल बस touch करके चला गया, and it doesn't really remove the frizz or make it soft or anything like that. So this one definitely did that. I did enjoy this. I would purchase it again. अच्छा, next, since we're on hair, might as well continue with hair. My battery is about to die, so I might have to switch it out. The next hair care product is this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and this kind of I use like a conditioner. It's you use it in the shower, and it's got avocado, sweet almond, argan oil, hair essential, vitamin B5, and biotin. It's for damaged hair, and I used all of it up. I think it was really good. This is the one. This is the 6 free hair care range. वही चीज़ें इसमें sulfates नहीं होते, parabens, silicons, phthalates, etc. Smells really good. I really like this. It's on the pricier end, and I mean, I would buy it again, but it's a little like, I feel like it's also pricey, so maybe I wouldn't. But I was pleased with the product. Let's put it that way. We have another hair thing. This is also from Redken, and this I had also gotten from the US. This is the pH bonder, and it's basically a post-service perfector. You use this before shampoo. It kind of works like Olaplex. I think I've talked about this in an older video, and basically it just, again, helps maintain the hair's natural pH, and colored hair kind of uska pH level mess up हो जाता है. So basically आप ये बाल धोने से पहले wet बालों पे लगाते हैं, just like Olaplex, and it kind of, again, softens your hair and kind of repairs it. This was a good product, but between this and Olaplex number 3, I would personally choose Olaplex. Yeah, I'm going to continue on the hair theme. So I have a few. I got like this trial kit of various like hair, you know, like heat protectant sprays, serums, sort of sprays like that. I have here another Redken one, which I had, this was like another like a travel size mini. This is called Blonde Idol, and again, this is a BBB spray. It's a lightweight multi-benefit conditioner, and it's a balanced, beautified, brighten. That's what BBB is. Because I made a balayage tha us waqt, abhi to thoda it's quite grown out. Lekin uske liye maine kiya tha because, you know, going out in the sun, and it's just like, you know, you put it on, it's like a leave-in conditioner, and yeah, it was good. It wasn't bad. The other one that I have here is by Alterna, and this is the Caviar Repair Rx. This is what it looks like. This is a small travel size again. This is a multivitamin heat protection spray. It's got vitamin A, B6, B12, C, E, biotin. It's really good. I enjoyed using it. Really absorbed well into my hair. But like the packaging, ऐसी है कि देखो इसमें थोड़ा सा अब जैसे बच गया है, but I can't get it out. So that was like, I don't like when they make packaging like that. I think we're done with the hair stuff. So now let's move on to the skin stuff. This, again, I think I told you about this one when I bought it. This is the big size of the Bioderma, the Micellar water, and this is the only Micellar water that I like swear by. Like I really like this one compared to any other one that I've tried. I think this is the best. And this large bottle, ye pump ke saath jo hai, it lasted me for so long. I know it's a little more expensive, but I always have this in my bathroom because like the way I double cleanse, it's like I triple cleanse because I'll do the oil or like a cleansing balm, and then I wipe that off with this. Maybe it's an extra step, but I feel like it really does, you know, does a good job of that. And then I use a face wash cleanse karne ke liye. So this, if you haven't tried this, a lot of people already know about this, but if you haven't tried this and you're wondering about it, I would really recommend it. A chota size leke try it out, but this is really good. This cream, I've ordered it again. मैंने ऊपर से काट के बिल्कुल एंड में जो रह गया था वो भी यूज किया है. This is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty, which is also sometimes known as Fab Beauty. ये बहुत ज़बरदस्त cream है, especially if you have extremely dry skin because it provides intense hydration. It's a skin protectant with Fab antioxidant booster. मुझे कभी-कभार eczema हो जाता है, so it's great for those times. It's good for sensitive skin. If you are looking for a moisturizer and you have sensitive dry skin that gets, you know, burned easily and, you know, you get eczema patches, this is something that I would really recommend, and you can actually use it on other parts of your body as well. The active ingredient in this is colloidal oatmeal, and if you know, that is a very like calming ingredient for very inflamed or irritated skin. So this is a really good moisturizer. Another moisturizer that's completely finished is this Moisture Surge from Clinique. I really actually enjoyed this because it's one of those jiska gel-like texture hota hai. It really absorbs easily into the skin. It's the 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. You can even use this as a mask. I haven't really done that, but this is a really great moisturizer. I got it from the duty free in Turkey, and I got a really good, like, you know, when taxes वगैरह नहीं होते, so it was on a, I think there was also like a deal going on, so that was really nice. Also, by the way, if you're interested in this look, like this eye look, and why I'm like in this really fun eye makeup, then I did a tutorial and a review on the channel, so check that out if you're interested. Anyway, so yeah, the next one is this FirmX peeling gel by Peter Thomas Roth. I think this and the not Bioderma, what is it called? Oh man, I can't remember. Biolage, no, I can't remember, but there was another one that I used to use a lot. Though these two have been the best peeling gels with, you know, AHAs and glycolic acid that I've used so far. And if you can get the small travel size or like the mini trial size, then I would highly recommend it. And then this really actually lasted me a very long time. It's an excellent product. It will really help lift away the dead skin and reveal new glowing skin. I really recommend this to every person that I meet. Okay, here, so mostly I've had like really big hits and, you know, stuff that I would buy again. This one was not a terrible product, but lekin ye Keels ka Midnight Recovery Concentrate, I just feel like this is a very overrated product. It's a face oil. I don't feel like there's anything extremely exquisite, unique about it that's not in other decent good face oils. This lasted me a really long time. I didn't go through it very quickly, but I just felt like it was too expensive. It cost me like 44 or 45 euros, and that was really not worth it. It didn't do anything extraordinary jiske liye, you know, I would spend that kind of money again. Kiehl's has some really good products. I'm using their avocado eye cream and I love it. So, and I've also heard the eye cream in this line is also good, but this, the face oil, no, I wouldn't bother. And I would, isse behtar aap Palmer's ka le lein. It also has a face skin oil. We have this anti-wrinkle vitamin C Turmeric Face Serum. It is by the Beauty Foundry. I liked it. It's good. It's got glycerin in it. It's got retinol in it. It's got quite a few really good ingredients in it. It does what it says. If I come across it, I would purchase it again. Other than that, I locally the vitamin C serum by Bio 1, I keep buying that and I really like that. So if I don't come across this, then it's okay, but like if I do, I would buy it again. Next, okay, so we're done with these things. Now we have like odds and ends. It's a random thing, but I do really like this spray. Over my roll-on deo, I always tend to do like a spray as well, just like as a double protectant. This is by Fa. It's the Hawaii Love Island Vibes. It's really, really nice. It's got like this pineapple and this other frangipani. I guess it's a flower. That scent, it's really nice. I think I bought 2 of these already, and I went looking for it. I didn't really find another one to get a replacement, so when I do, I'll buy it again. So yeah, this is, if you're looking for a nice deo spray, then that's good. Speaking of scents, if you don't know, Zara has perfumes and they're really actually quite affordable. So when I was still in Europe and Spain, I bought this one by Zara. I bought a couple of others as gifts. This is the one called Oriental, and it's a really nice, like very nice, like for summer, very light floral kind of a scent, kind of a little bit citrusy. I think these are great buys. I think if you get to go to Zara next time, go check out their perfume section. They're cheap, they're affordable, and they're nice. Just throw it into your purse. The size is nice, and it's also good for gift giving. And then finally, we're on our, sorry if I've lost my train of thought. My battery died and I had to recharge it, and I ate, and it's super late at night, so it was not really a good time to eat, but I had to reapply my lipstick, all of that good stuff. So we were talking about scents. In terms of scent, this is the Dial Skin Therapy 84 Minerals and Elements Exfoliating Body Wash. This is the one with Himalayan salt and exfoliating beads. I prefer the marula oil one. I did buy that one again. This is good, but it didn't do the same thing. The smell also is, smells okay. It's just okay. I don't know. मुझे नहीं लगता ये मैं फिर से खरीदूंगी. अगर marula oil वाला होगा, then I would buy that because I just love the way that smells. And you know, once you're in the shower, you just want to smell really, really good. अच्छा, finally हम आ गए हैं कुछ makeup products पे, but they're just very, very few. We're at the end of the video. This is something that I think I've talked about a lot, and I have purchased a few times. ये Kat Von D का eyeliner pen है. This is the tattoo liner. So she has an ink liner and a tattoo liner. जो ink liner है, उसका जो टिप है वो थोड़ा सा फेल्ट टिप वाला है, और जो टैटू लाइनर है, इसका जो ये टिप है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ ब्रश. तो इसका टिप काफ़ी फ्लेक्सिबल है, so you can push it and stuff, and it's very, very dark, and it makes really beautiful lines. Like you can go really thick or you can go really thin. इसकी wings बहुत अच्छी बनती हैं. So yeah, if you are looking, but this is high end, this is expensive. इसका बहुत ज़बरदस्त dupe मुझे मिला था, so probably I would be buying that again. It's by NYX. It's the Epic eyeliner, and it's got the exact same like bendy kind of a tip. It's also super black. It's matte. I think it's an exact dupe for this. So if you don't want to spend, I think this is like $20 something on an eyeliner, then that's the one to go for. And then finally, we're going to end this with 2 different kinds of eyelash glues. This is Duo. This is a very well-known brand. I think this is one of the best affordable brands out there for eyelash glue. You really can't go wrong with this. It lasts a really long time. इसका बहुत, I mean, इसमें अभी भी थोड़ा सा thick होने लगा था, लेकिन इसका brush tip होता है, which you can very easily, you know, put the glue on the lashes. So there are a few Duo ones. This is the green one, and basically it looks white, लेकिन फिर ये it dries transparent. So I really do like that because आप देख सकते हैं कहाँ लग रहा है. Why I don't like the black ones generally is because even though, you know, they'll make your eyelash band look black, उसमें ये है कि there's very little room for error. अगर आपने कहीं गलत लगा दिया या लगाते हुए आपके eyelid पे कहीं लग गया, तो वो black line या जो भी glue की line नजर आएगी. So I don't like to mess with that. I would just prefer this and let it dry down transparent, which I think it does a good job. This is a lash glue by a local lash brand. I think it's called, इसकी packaging, I think इन्होंने improve किया. अब पहले इसकी packaging जो इसकी ये वाली जो थी, इतनी कोई खास नहीं थी, sticker लगा हुआ था, वो उतर गया है. I guess the company is called the Lash Bar Karachi. I found them on Instagram. I got a couple of eyelashes from them, and I did buy the glue. Their glue is actually really, really good. It really helps make the lashes stay put. The only thing is, I think it lasted a pretty decent amount of time. Like by the end of it, it just starts getting really clumpy and, you know, not very workable. तो इसलिए इसका like otherwise I think I would buy it again. I think it's a decent price. It's locally available and it's by a local company, so you know, if you support local brands. Again, it's the brush on style. I don't know, I don't remember how much it costs. I think उस वक्त जब मैंने लिया था it cost like 1,000 rupees or like 900 something, and I'm sure it's around the same price. थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो गया होगा. So yeah, this is the lash bar. And maybe when I'm done with my duo or something, or whatever, if I'm in the market again, I would probably buy it again. And that's it. That was everything that, you know, most of the things I think this time have been things that I really liked, most of them, and that I do recommend to you guys as well. Thank you so much for sitting with me and listening to me talk. I hope you will join me next time. Please do subscribe to my social media channels, Instagram and Facebook, and of course to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you next time. Take care. Goodbye. Mwah.